Hello everyone, welcome with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. New York, the dollar fell its lowest level in more than 2 weeks against a basket of currencies of Monday, following recent strong gains as investors grow nervous ahead of U.S. inflation data and a central bank outside of the United States operates increasingly hawkish. The euro climbed to more than a 3-week hike against the dollar, with European central bank officials arguing for future aggressive monetary tightening. Strategists said the result on Tuesday of the month's U.S. Consumer Price Index report will be closely watched for clues on how aggressive the Federal Reserve may need to be in hiking interest rates next week to fight high inflation. The Federal Open Market Commitment, the Fed's policy-setting arm, expects in the 8 Sep 2022 meeting to raise the central bank benchmark overlaying lending rate again from the current range of 2.25% until 2.50%. The dollar index, which measures the currency against six major counterparts, has been strengthening on expansion of an aggressive Fed record a two-decade peak of 110.79 last Wednesday. On Monday, it went down 0.4% on the day at 108.31 after hitting its low since August 26. It's been a break in the dollar, Lance Rice said the Moneyball senior market analyst at Confera. What's behind the basically imperfect statement? How kicks central bank from the award the hopes that U.S. inflation will suggest the worst in the behind U.S. with consumer price coming out tomorrow. One of the thinking that helped limit both of dollar weakens in scene of reside U.S. economy money bomb added. The New York Fed's monthly consumer expansion survey showed on Monday that U.S. consumer inflation expansion should further in August. Gasoline price extends their steep decline from in June record hike a development likely to bring some revive to U.S. central bank officials who have been worrying that the highest inflation in 40 years may change consumer perception of how sticky and current price shocky may be. The euro rose against the dollar to its highest level since August 17 and hit a 20-year trough of 0.90 last week. The euro loss was up 0.7%. ACB policy marker. See in screen rise the central bank will need to hike its key interest rate to 2% or more to curb record inflation in the eurozone. Score to returns. At the same time, the inflation set on Monday, and EU turns from in forex 3 months prior. The German economy will contract next year and dramatic rise in energy costs due to Ukraine war exciting the exchange of currency after COVID-19 lockdown. The dollar was up slightly against the Japanese yen. Over the weekend, Japanese officials hinted in inflation to stop the currency from weakening further. A senior government spokesman said a local television interview that the administration must take steps and is needed to counter excessive yen decline. Investors will be watching the area as the Ethereum blockchain is due to merge with a Spirit blockchain, altering the way it processes transaction and how new Ether tokens are created. One of the things that helped to limit both of dollar weakens in seen or reside U.S. economy. The New York Fed's monthly customer expansion survey showed on Monday that U.S. consumer inflation expansion should further in the August gasoline price extend the third steep decline from June record hike a development likely to bring some revive to U.S. central bank officials who have been worrying that the highest inflation in the 40 years might change consumer perception of how sticky and current price shocky may be. The Federal Open Market Committee The Fed's policy setting arm in expand at its September 20-21 meeting and raised the central bank benchmark overall lending rate again from the current range of 2.75% until 2.50%. It's been a break in the dollar recent rise seen a June senior market analysis and Confera. What's behind the basically imperfect statement? How central banks from abroad and hope the US inflation will suggest the worst is behind US with consumer price coming out tomorrow. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.